Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Don McCord YouTube channel. Sorry I've been a little absent. Had a lot going on lately, but been collecting a lot of parts for the Peterbilt. Me and my son Bubba, we've been out here working on it, and we'll show you what we got done. Alright guys, so yeah, I got, as you can see, we got new LED headlights. I did get the new LED cab lights in and on after 2 times of ordering them and 1 time of them not showing up, and then they did show up, so now I ended up with 10 of them. So those look good. The headlights look awesome. You got daytime running lights, and then at certain angles there's red that comes out of the center, and then when you turn the headlights on, the red goes away. Yesterday I went to my favorite junkyard over in Alabama, and I picked up some window chops and some underneath chrome pieces for underneath the window. They actually came off of a 379, so you can see the old mounting holes there, but you know, it is what it is. Finally got the duct tape off of that mirror, got that mirror mounted up properly and polished up. Got a new blind spot mirror on there, the old one was broke. Got all that done. Still got to do the LED lights on the sides, right there on the back, but I did get the LED work lights in, the red work lights in. You know, not really work lights, they just make the front of your trailer light up red, which always looks cool. So yeah, it's coming along. Sorry I haven't been able to film anything lately. Oh, and I did get this piece here at the junkyard yesterday. Also came off of a 379. And I did find this mirror in the side box that goes here, like I have on the Kenworth. But the glass is broke. So I'll probably just take the mirror apart and go get a piece of mirror glass cut. So I very seriously doubt I'll be able to find one of these. So, but I can take it apart and then get, you know, a piece cut. What are you doing, little girl? Be careful, don't fall down. So yeah, it looks, when the red's shining out of the headlights, it throws a little 6 red glows out in front of you. Looks pretty cool. So yeah guys, that's where we're at with it. Looking pretty good. Still got a long way to go, but getting closer. Alright guys, well thanks for coming by, and we'll catch you on the next one.